commercial dashcam is a camera designed to be mounted on the inside of the cab of a truck. By uploading footage in real time to the cloud, dashcams allow fleet managers to see a collision or safety violation just minutes after it occurs from anywhere in the world. On top of this, dashcams can provide insurance protection before incidents happen. This is because many insurance companies will offer a discount for fleets that use dashcams. The third key benefit to commercial dashcams is theft recovery. Freight theft costs the US trucking industry up to $2 billion a year, but a motion-sensing dashcam can start recording when disturbed. The sight of a dashcam will make even the most hardened of criminals think twice. Higher-end dashcams have extra safety and management features, such as an internal accelerometer, which can track harsh driving, or a built-in speaker that can allow for fleet communication, and AI-powered functions, which can identify unworn seatbelts or other driving violations. TechCo's researchers have combed through the best dashcams on the market to save you time and money. To find the one that's best for your fleet's needs, use our custom pricing tool to compare costs from the leading suppliers. To use our quote service and start reaping the benefits of commercial dashcams for your fleet, visit TechCo today.